What's the meaning of affliction? Affliction. 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 Affliction refers to a state of physical or mental distress, suffering, or pain. It can be caused by various factors such as illness, injury, hardship, or loss. Affliction can result in a range of negative outcomes such as physical limitations, emotional turmoil, social isolation, and spiritual despair. It can also lead to a sense of helplessness, hopelessness, and disconnection from oneself and others. Ultimately, affliction can be a challenging and life-altering experience that requires resilience, coping skills, and support from those around us.